vlog, travel vlog from Bangalore to Puducherry. Puducherry, which is the Union Territory of India, and which was ruled by French colonization. The capital of Puducherry is Puducherry city itself. From Bangalore, Puducherry is around 350 kilometers. We need to take NH77, and it takes almost 6 hours journey from Bangalore to Puducherry. Let's see which are the places we can visit. So here's an overview of the destination. Thank you. Guys, here's the scenic view of Tamil Nadu highway. We are crossing NH44. And just for knowledge, Puducherry is divided into 4 districts. It is known for its Indian and French culture. Hi guys, so we have entered from Puducherry, and we can see this unique plantation. If anybody knows about it, please comment in the comment box. What are these trees known for and why it has been planted? So as I told you, that Puducherry is known for its French culture. We saw one French city named Tao, and it's a mix of Indian and French culture. Let's see what we can explore. Thank you. Here's the entrance, Puducherry. Here's the street view of Puducherry. Most prominent language is Tamil. This is the view of one temple. We entered to the Cradle Hotel. The hotel, the Cradle. It's in French style, and we are staying in this duplex room. This is the entrance room with a bathroom attached. Here, when you enter, you get the bedroom, which is of a cradle style, like this. So you can swing. It has a balcony. So it's a French style, budget-friendly hotel. So guys, you can see the house constructions are like French style. Pondicherry got freedom from French people in 1963, and now it is state, the Union Territory, and it is under Lieutenant Governor governance.
Guys, this looks exactly like Venice. Surprising.
You have a beautiful constructions. Reach the first destination, Promenade Beach, and this is the parking area. Most 40% of Puducherry thing is owned by Aurobindo Ashram. Here's the statue of Joseph Francis, who was the governor of Puducherry, and here's the view of the Promenade Beach. And you can see French style architecture there. Enjoy the waves. There was a police station also. Beautiful black rocks. So I'll just zoom for the French style architecture, which we really like. Very nice. find lots of French restaurants which are very heavy priced. So we just explored this street food. We are heading to a second spot, that is Saint Basilica Church. It is known for its Gothic style architecture, constructed in 1902. Known for its glass panels which depicts the life of heading towards War Memorial and very beautiful police officer headquarters we saw. Municipality House, view of the War Memorial, moon viewing, Spothies Beach near to the War Memorial. Listen to the sound, the waves. The tourist information desk. Dinde Francais. Dinde Francais means French War Memorial, which is dedicated to the soldiers who fought for the freedom fight from France. This is Gandhiji's statue here. Chakra Vision India Foundation, where all the names of the soldiers are engraved. This is the old lighthouse. Jawaharlal Nehru statue.
ये टीचर है ना?
Food court area. But old lighthouse. Pondicherry is well known for all types of food, French cuisine. Pondicherry is known for its French cuisine. Mostly you'll find all kind of pastry, bakery stuffs, plus all kind of meats. You'll find all this Gothic style architecture. During the start also I've shown, which is called as French Quarter. Dr. Ambedkar Library. Library. We are going towards Paradise Beach. This is one of the famous beach of Pondicherry, serene beauty, and it's known for its confluence of Bay of Bengal and Chunambar River. Let's see what we can explore. Entry fee is 89 and separate charges for this.
60,000 rupees.
Each sport game there are different charges. If you want to enjoy a proper beach, you need to go to Chunambar area. Here you can just enjoy the water sports, which is of different grades, like Zorba, Pleasure. That's the aqua park. This is the pleasure ride we are doing. There's Zorba, Zorball. Towards the beach, which was the other side of the sports activity. So guys, please be aware, when you enter they tell you to go with the sports activity, but on the other side there is a beach access. So the entry fee of 89 is for this beach access, and then you can enjoy this open beach, see the golden sand. It's so serene. And there are some shacks, some rental benches also. Again, water sports activity. Let me zoom and show. It's beautiful. Dune activity. Listen to the waves sound. It's too good. Guys, here we are for the mangrove boating, mangrove forest boating. Let's see what it is. Where's the way? Mangrove forest. This is the mangrove forest. From mangrove forest, they have stopped here for us to go and visit this archaeological site. That is Archimedo, which was explored by some Roman emperor. Let's see what it is. So guys, here this is the archaeological site, which is, if you can see, half broken condition. Here we are heading to the last point. This is the last point, river mouth. Hi guys, we tried to locate Auroville, which was the last spot in Puducherry, which 2 days trip, and unfortunately the route which we had taken was not open. And for your knowledge, Auroville is an international experimental project where things related to humanity, unity, spiritual activities are taken care of, and it was started by a French mother. And there's a lot of famous activities about Auroville that any citizen can apply here to become a citizen, and they just need to follow the community norms, which is humanity. So we couldn't visit that,